Hormaz is now joining in. Hormaz.
News just breaking in, the Nifty Bank has hit a record high. As the Nifty crossing its previous high of 58,577. The mid-cap index up another 200 today, so it's another record high for the mid-cap index as well. So we'll start off with stocks that are doing well in today's session from the broader markets. Precision Wires is one of them. It reported results yesterday and it's reacting to those today. It's the fourth straight day of gains for the stock, and on volumes that are already set to cross yesterday's levels. We are close to 42 lakh shares traded yesterday. We've already had close to 45 lakh shares that have been traded in today's session in the first couple of hours, and the 20-day average here is only 2 lakh shares. It's been a pretty good year for Precision Wires so far. The stock is up 55% so far, and it has delivered positive annual returns every year after 2020. The stock to watch out for today, though, is PG Electroplast, and the stock was up almost 6% ahead of its results announcement, still holding on to gains of around 4, snapped a 2-day losing streak. We have had 22 lakh shares that have already been traded, 3x of its 20-day average of around 7.7 lakh shares. But the kind of drubbing that it saw after its first quarter results, the stock is still below all of its key moving averages and is down almost 45% so far on a year-to-date basis. That, of course, after it had quadrupled in 2024. The earnings reaction today is Cohance Lifesciences. The stock is down almost 8 to 9%. It's trying to recover from the lows of the day, but it's down for the 11th day running, and in the last 20 sessions the stock has gained only in 4 of them, and in the last 11-day losing streak the stock is down almost 30% during this period. We had 19 lakh shares that have been traded so far on the stock. The 20-day average is around about 2.5 lakh shares for Cohance, all below its key moving averages, and it has delivered negative returns now for 4 months in a row. And lastly, data patterns of defense stocks doing well today. Among those, fifth straight day of gains for the stock. Almost 30 lakh shares have been traded. The 20-day average is only a lakh, so it's doing very well on very strong volumes. It's off the highs of the day though, and it's broken above its 50 DMA of 2717, and it has had fairly decent returns at 20% in 2025, a positive returns every year since it listed in 2021.
Okay, all right, take that point. Hormaz, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. Not just the Bank Nifty, even the mid-cap index has hit a record high.